Oh, hey, you know, there's a lot of back and forth in the vegan community about whether or not you can raise your dog vegan. Well, now with Companion, oh wait, hold it. This is people food. So if you're anything like me, you love your meat in a can. And the best place to get your meat in a can or other delicious vegan meats is at fakemeats.com. It's an incredible website, a super simple shopping cart system, and they sell all of the best meat options, meat alternatives, vegan goodies, everything from jerky to Butler soy curls to canned meat. And right now, if you're watching this video in March 2019, use promo code COK5, and you'll get 5% off your order, and 5% will be kicked back to Compassion Over Killing, the animal rights not-for-profit that I work for out of Washington, D.C. So COK5 at fakemeats.com, place an order, fill your shopping cart with all of the vegan meats you can find. So this gives me an opportunity to buy things that you almost can't always find nearby, although some of this stuff is sold in Asian markets. This one is a Chinese product made in Taiwan, and is considered curry imitation chicken fillets, or if you're British, they're called fillets.
Fillet.
Anyway, Companion makes these little tiny things that you would get from your like sweet and sour chicken or your General Tso chicken. So I am anxious to open this can, cook some up, and serve some to you. So stand by as I head over to the stovetop. Alright, so here we go. Companion Authentic since 1959. Curry imitation chicken fillets. Cholesterol free, ready to serve. So that means you could open the can and eat it, which is fantastic in case there ever is a zombie apocalypse. Fill your fallout shelter with this vegan meat imitation product, and you can eat it directly out of the can. Don't forget to pack a can opener in your fallout shelter. So, opening the top, I have no idea what to expect here. I've got my pan heated up. It smells pretty good. Sometimes when you buy these products, I know there's a couple of tunas that are on the market that you open them and you do think that they're pet food. This doesn't have that pet food smell. It's little chunks of imitation chicken, so not quite what it looks like on the front, but let me give it a... Let me put it on the pan here and see what we end up smelling. And oh, there you go. All food should be can-shaped. So here it is. This is the liquid, obviously, that came with it. It doesn't smell an awful lot like curry, which is fine with me, actually. I was thinking of doing something else with this. But these are nice chunks of what ends up being Vital Wheat gluten. So this is a seitan product. In the can, compressed, are these shreds. Let me show you what one of them looks like. So there you go. They're pretty big, you know, generous sized shreds of faux chicken. Little bit of that curry smell. What I want to do is just heat them up a little bit right now, so I'm not boring you with the whole process, but getting these warmed so I can try one. So a little bit of a bubble going. Obviously it hasn't been on here very long. You could crisp these up probably. You might be able to drain them and stick them in your air fryer. Or you could try breading them and frying them that way in some oil. Either way, you know, it's simple. It's very convenient, not expensive at all. Again, if you shop online, there's promo codes you can use. COK5 is good through the end of March 2019, so check that out. Type in COK5 when you shop at fakemeats.com. Pick up some Butler soy curls. They're the best price I've seen on soy curls ever. And yeah, so here we go. I'm gonna try a bite. I happen to love seitan, so I'm not gonna be like turned off by the texture right away. It's got a slight smell to it. It's weird when you're watching videos and people are eating. So I totally get away. I get it if you have to look away, but yeah, it's good. It needs a lot of work It needs a lot more spice for my taste. I will probably end up taking these and putting them on one of these incredible vegan pretzel rolls that I have. Those are delicious. But yeah, get yourself over to fakemeats.com, purchase some fake meat in a can, or in a bag, or in a bucket, or in a jerky form, whatever you like, they got it all. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.